Hello everyone, welcome to our series of SNAP 2024 Quant section full solution by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 toppers. So today we are going to solve the next question in our series of SNAP old question papers solution. And here as we know that in our earlier session we have solved question number 33. You can see the tricks and tips I have used for the question number 33. I think you will be impressed the time saving skills I have given to you during the solution, and also the speed calculation tricks while solving those numericals I am providing. So that are very effective in taking you to the higher percentile in snap scale. So let us solve for the 34th number question. Today we are going to solve 34th number question. Okay. So first of all, let's read the question very carefully. Two oranges, three banana, four apple cost 15 rupees. Three oranges, two banana, one apple cost 10 rupees. And I bought three oranges, three banana, three apple. How much did I pay? So see whether you bought one orange, one banana, one apple. You cannot just generate the thing for out of two equations we cannot get three variables values, as you know. But let us try. Firstly, two oranges, three banana plus four apple. This has been given in the question is equal to 15. So this is 15. Okay, three oranges, two banana and one apple. Okay, one apple is equal to 10. Now you think like this way: if if I will add both, what I will get? Now add both equations, that is 5O oranges, 5B. This is just by seeing na, this we don't know addition will give you the result or not. Then 5 apple will cost you 25 exactly. So what will be the unit value of these will cost? Take 5 common, divide 5 by this, it will take you 5. In this case we can generate the value, else we could not have generated if there was not any link between these two equations. So what will be 3? 3 means 3 into 5 is 15. Actually this answer I do know before solving this question, because since 3 oranges they need 3 banana and 3 apple, the answer should be multiple of 3 in any way. Okay, so that would be 15. But since three variables are there but two equations, and then I was not confirmed that if that can yield us very good result for each and every variable, distinct value will be there. But we have solved and we got to know that this should be 15. 15 is the correct answer. So this is the trick. The trick we have used in earlier question, like you will see a fantastic trick used in 28th question and 29th question as well. So do watch our earlier videos. To join our Telegram group, link is given below, and WhatsApp group also link has been given below. Make sure you, if you want to join whole Snap 2025 batch with Ex-NIBM, where tricks and tips will be given, short one-to-one guidance, you can WhatsApp us at the given number. Thank you very much for joining us, and have a good day.